Hi everybody. Hope you enjoyed the spectacular summer's day we had today. It's absolutely phenomenal. I've been out most of the day. One of the things that I love about trading is you don't need to be in the office. You don't need to be stuck staring at a screen if you don't want to. On rainy days it's nice to just look at the computer or your iPad, dip in, help yourself to some money from the markets, you know, for a couple of hours work, and then go off and do whatever you do. But today I didn't want to be inside. It's a beautiful sunny day. Hopefully it'll be like this for the rest of the week. So the best thing about trading is the leverage that you get with it. But that's not what this video is about. It's about just updating you and always providing empirical evidence. So if I'm saying that I believe something's going to happen, I'll post it on the Financial Traders Cafe and for all students to see that I teach, and then they can take advantage of that, and then I'll show the empirical evidence after the event, so the before and the after. One of the things that I feel is lacking in the market, if people are being educated about trading, is that there's too much pontificating and just saying, oh well, I think this is going to happen, or that's going to happen after the event. You know, there's too much, I suppose, rubbish going on and being spread out in the market, and unfortunately it's very, very dangerous. People are listening to it, people are reading all sorts of comments that people are making. For example, this one, Amazon, that was a screen that you're looking at, and what I saw was people predicting that Amazon's share price was going to go through the roof at 55. It was a great time to buy. Well, here's an example of why it wasn't a good time to buy. So this is a chart of Amazon. The bars you're looking at are the daily bars. So you saw some green bars here where there was some buying going on, so the share price had lifted up to 55. But this red line going across here, so follow where I'm going there, that is at 53. Okay, so this was a real level of resistance for the Amazon share price. But people were still saying, yeah, buy Amazon, it's a great time to buy. No, I don't think so. So I posted and let people know that you should be short selling Amazon, and my target price was $500. So if you are a spread better, then that would be 50,000. Okay, so the point where I was saying to sell was up here. Okay, and especially this bar here, where I've just pointed this bar. This is a high test bar where you can see the open and the close. Right, this demonstrates uncertainty in the market, and I won't show this on the moment because I need to go back to my desk. But on the weekly chart, it was showing a similar pattern. So by selling here, that would have been a great time to get in and take advantage of this nice fall. So today, Amazon's fallen by over 3%. So if you had got in there, you'd have been extremely happy. You'd have been licking your lips at the profit. You'd be over 3,000 points up. So if you were trading at £1 per point, then you'd be £3,000 up. And if you're UK, so if you're watching this in the UK, then that would be £3,000 tax-free, which isn't too bad for a week's work, I suppose. So I didn't know it was going to happen in a week. It could sometimes it would take a little bit longer. Depends on how volatile the markets are. But one thing also that I need to mention is that the US market is in a downtrend, as all the financial markets are. Whether you're looking at the European market, the UK market, Japan, America, they're all in a downward trend. So if you were buying Amazon, then you'd be going against the trend. Okay, so that's another thing that you need to be aware of. If you're buying a particular stock that is in the US 500 or on the NASDAQ, then you've got to be very careful there that you're going against the trend. The trend is your friend until the bend in the end. And here you can see a crossover point there, which is the 6-day crossing the 21-day. That's the moving average, that's the light blue line. So if you haven't traded before, don't worry about moving averages and stuff at this stage. This is something that I teach to people It is very important to look at those, but also to see where stocks have been overbought or oversold, and you can always see certain signs, and certainly here this was an engulfing candle, so you could see the sell-off was overlapping this green buying bar, and that's another signal. Okay, so when you get lots of signals that come up, this is what I wanted to do this video for, is just to explain the rationale behind why I would sell Amazon rather than buy them. Now, they're a good stock compared to some of the other ones out there, and they've had a fantastic year, but stocks do get overbought. They do get overbought. People become overzealous and just buy, and usually it's on like stock recommendations, broker buys, that kind of thing, really bigging them up, and this can really hurt people. So what we want to do is take this down to 50. I keep saying 50, it's $500. Such a big number with Amazon, it's $500. Now, this black line here is another possibility that it could touch that and may rebound off it. If it breaks through that, then it could have further to drop. But the first target is here. Look for your $500, which for spread bettors is 50,000. And if you did get in when I said, then congratulations. I'm really pleased. This is all about helping people to make money, to make a difference in their lives. This is one of the best things in the world. It's something I absolutely love. And there's some very, very clever people out there, and I'm sure that they could be able to do this as well for themselves, and they just don't know that it's possible. It's just a case of, as I always say, about having skill, knowledge, and the desire to really, really want to do this. And if you have that, then you've got every chance of being a success at this. So hope you enjoyed the video. It is just an update on what happened with Amazon. I don't want the videos to go on too long, so I'm going to cut it short now. And if you do want to know more, then please subscribe to the Financial Traders Cafe TV channel, YouTube, or you can always email me, which is Adam at learnhowtotradeshares.com. That's Adam at learnhowtotradeshares.com, and I'll give you lots of information about what we're up to in the groups, etc., which I want to grow as much as possible. I want to help as many people as possible. And there will also be some webinars, there'll be more videos, lots more education, and please comment and also share with friends who also you think may have an interest in this, and let's see if we can really help as many people as we can. Okay, signing off now. You take care now.